This is my DIY signal injector portable radio AM FM. To repair a radio AM FM, since I wasn't have signal injector, I use a good AM FM as my signal injector. To use this, I cut the signal from the RF amplifier and audio amplifier. Example, this 3-wire here is the red wire is the output of RF amplifier, and the yellow one is the input of audio amplifier of this radio signal injector, and the black is ground. As we know that ground is the circuit of the ground is connected to all circuit. When to repair a radio AM FM or any appliances as a radio AM FM, to found is if there is an audio, I grounded this to the circuit of the radio AM FM whom I repaired. Then I inject the input of this signal injector to the input of the power amplifier. If there is sound, it means the amplifier of the radio whom I repaired was in trouble. And if the trouble of the radio whom I repaired is the RF trouble, the trouble is in RF, I inject the output of the RF of this radio signal injector to the input of the audio in order to find out if the RF is in trouble. This is portable AM FM signal injector is applicable to any appliance that has AM FM radio.